This spring, from the people who brought you Extreme Makeover Crack House Edition and the Real World Turkmenistan, comes the greatest challenge yet. They've got the crack, they've got the stash, but can they? Plunge. Canada's next top plumber. The intensity of the competition.
I'm telling you, Mama, all these people, they're amateurs. They don't know how to plunge. You should see her.
I'll unclog your face!
The agony of defeat.
I don't know if I can go on.
I can take it! Ugh!
The deception.
You plunge my back, and I'll plunge yours.
Who will prevail?
Two very talented plumbers stand before me, but I only have one plunger in my hand.
And who will see their dreams flushed away? Canada's next top plumber.